Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylion's financial education and resources. So let's get straight into the video. For first up is accessing financial education resource. Now how you want to do that is to find the Moneylion app on your mobile device and open that up, and then you got to sign into your accounts, and then just tap navigate to the learn section of the app, and you can browse through various financial topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and of course credit management. Now financial education resources includes things like articles and blog posts, so you can read informative articles and blog posts on personal finance and money management. There's also videos and webinars, so you can watch educational videos and webinars on various financial topics. It also includes infographics and calculators, so you can use interactive infographics and calculators to help with financing plans and decision makings. Also, there's a financial quiz and assessment, so you can take these quiz and assessments to test your financial knowledge, and also you can use that to identify areas for improvements. Now for personalized financial recommendations, this can also help you to set financial goals, so you can set specific financial goals such as savings for emergency funds or for paying off debts. You also have personalized advice, so you can receive tailored financial advice and recommendation based on your goals and financial situations. There's also the actionable steps, so you can get actionable steps and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. These are pretty useful things that you want to make use of. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because I host a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.